It's just a bad movie where there's no crying, handing the keys to me in this red line, where the lock that you locked in the suite says there's no prying, when the breath that you breathed in the street screams there's no science. When you look how you look then to me, then I cease lying and fall into silence. This is a life story, so there's no climax, no more new territory. So pull away the IMAX. In the slot that you sliced through the scene, there was no shyness. In the plot that you passed through your teeth, there was no pity, no fading. Film begins on a kid in the big city, and no cut to a costly parade that's for him only. No dissolve to a sliver of prey that's his new lady, where she glows just like grain on the flickering paint of some great movie. And watch it! It's just a house burning, but it's not haunted. It was your heart hurting, but not for too long, kid. In the socket you spin from with ease, there is no sticking. From the speakers, your fake masterpiece comes serenely dribbling